Hello, today I show you guys how to check the CCV crankcase ventilation. CCV crankcase ventilation. That's the all the way and in there. I bought another one. It's right here. That's what I bought. Normally I got the code. It's p0172 p0172 and p0175. A lot of people, they talk about, you know, the mass sensor. I change mass sensor and I change something, but it not work. And after that, I check the pressure. When you turn the engine on and you open this and you check the pressure, if it's too high or too low, it happened to the CCV crankcase ventilation. Normally it's the vent kit, the CC valve is over there, but at the shop normally they change the whole thing, the whole box here. But for me, I bought the whole thing, but I don't change that one. It's a lot of work. So I bought at the eBay only small thing. This one on the eBay like $12. And I use the screwdriver. You know, you use the blow dry, make them a little warm, make them blow their warm, and you use the screwdriver to take that out. It's a little hard job. You scary to break, but it's not. You just take it easy time and you do it. I take it out. And take me about 2 hours. Take it easy, time because you have to open this thing, the whole thing right here. It's simple thing, simple job, you know. Because if you the more hurry, the more it worse. For me, I just take time and drink one beer and, you know, just take it out and, you know, blow dry it, make it warm, and click it out, and put a new one in. Put around the silicone and put it on back. And I just spend like $10 or $15 and put it back, and the engine run smoothly. That's what I do with my CVV crankcase ventilation. It from 2006 and up for most of BMW 82, BMW 92, X3, X5. They most the same. If your car is the plastic, you know, the cover is plastic, and it's built up the ventilation right there. You don't need to change the hose, because usually the hose is, most of them okay. Because when you bring to the shop, usually they change the whole thing. The whole thing, and it's usually cost about $1,000 at least. For me, I just show you how to repair, not how to change the thing. It's repair thing. And if you ride a BMW, I know it's very expensive to go to, even you change one few spark plug and they charge you already a lot of money. But you know, if you have a lot of money, spend. If you're not, you know, or if you want to save money, just watch my video. Thank you for watching. That's what I bought, the new one right here. It's not a brand new one, but you know, I want to change it. But after I change it, only $10, and it's work good. So you don't have to open the whole thing, and you know, a lot of work. This one take like less than 2 hours. Just take the thing out and do it. So okay, thank you. Have a nice day. If you like my video, please say something, and bye bye.